Hello friends, welcome to our channel Cloud and DevOps. Today we are going to discuss about continuous integration, continuous delivery and continuous deployment. In the industry, basically you will always hear what is the difference between continuous integration, continuous delivery and deployment. People are getting confused what is the difference mainly between continuous delivery and deployment. So in this video you are going to have a deeper understanding and clear understanding about these terminologies and what are the difference between these, okay, and how they are related with each other. Okay, so let's start this video. Okay, so first thing, if you see here, this is the DevOps cycle, like how it start with phase wise. First one is plan, then after plan is code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, and then monitor. Okay, so monitor is also the part here. Okay, that would come in the DevOps. So in agile methodology, what happens basically, you will plan, code, and build it. That's how in agile methodology we follow, so that based on that basically a fast and quick deliveries are possible. Next step, if we move, that is to test. If we include the testing also along with the build, so that's what we say as a continuous integration. So in continuous integration, basically what happens, we plan something, we code, immediately it get built and tested, and these things are usually done in using automated automation tools, and automatically these things are done. So that's we say as continuous integration. The next thing is release. If we include the release also after the testing, if some our code or service or functionality is basic get tested and ready for the release, then that we refer as continuous delivery. Okay, and if that is get deployed also in our final environment, that is usually production environment, so we say it continuous deployment. Okay, and then after that, if we manage it, monitor it, all those things, so whole life cycle is known as DevOps. So this whole life cycle, this whole cycle is known as DevOps, including monitor also. Okay, so this is how a DevOps looks like, and mainly the difference comes here for continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment. Okay, so for them basically, what you can do to easily understand, for continuous integration, in simple terms, basically what happens, basically you write a code, you plan, code, build, and you test it, so that it gives a surety that okay, you have developed something and the code is ready, and it is not going to impact any existing things. You tested it internally on basically your dev environment. So that's we say as a continuous integration. Then after this, basically once we are done the QA testing, QA and all those parts are done here, QA testing, all these things are completed, and the code is ready to get deployed in the production, we say continuous delivery. In delivery, basically we are ready to deploy in the production, but we have not deployed yet in the production. That is continuous delivery. Continuous deployment is the process that is automatically get triggered basically, and the deployment is done on the production also. Okay, so this is related with prod deployment. Prod deployment. Okay, let me explain this with next diagram. Now using this diagram, you will have more clear understanding for the difference between continuous delivery and continuous deployment. So continuous delivery, you will see like unit tests are performed that are automatic, system tests automated, delivery to the staging environment automated, application acceptance tests are also done, and then after application acceptance tests are also passed, here is a checkpoint, manual checkpoint. So basically it could be like get a go ahead from the business team or from someone, so that once we get it, the code is get deployed to the production. So there is a manual intervention. Once it is deployed in the production, again rest other things like monitoring, everything is done automatic. Okay, that is continuous delivery. Next thing is continuous deployment. In continuous deployment, things are same: unit test, system test, delivery to the staging, application acceptance test, everything is automated using various tools through automation. And then this production deployment is also automated. Okay, so this is automated, there is no manual intervention. So if anyone is, any developer is developing the code and committing to the repository, it will be passed through all the phases and then deployed in the sorry, production. So production automatically deployed without any human intervention. So that's we say continuous deployment. So if we have to give what's the major difference is between the continuous delivery and deployment is in terms of manual intervention. Okay, so manual deployment in case of continuous delivery, and in case of continuous deployment is complete automated process from initially code commit till production deployment. It's automated, there is no manual intervention. That's a continuous deployment. Okay, I hope you got a now a clear idea. If you have any still doubt, please write down in the comment section. If you like the video, please like it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.